6.5 covers solving problems with given constraints. So what is a constraint? This is something that limits or restricts options. Okay, so let's do this example. See the limited factor in each of the following designs. So for example, a package for a 300 milliliter drink. Okay, the limiting factor is that volume. It has to be 300 milliliters. Okay, cannot be more, cannot be less. Now, a floor plan with an area of 50 meters squared. Okay, so this one's a little bit more complex. Okay, so a floor plan, so we know that the limiting factor is 50 meters squared. Okay, in order to have area, the length and the width have to be greater than 0 because we can't have 50 times 0. Okay, so if we think about this, and I'm just going to do this in integers, so I'm going to do this on length and width are elements of integers. Okay, so this could be 24 and 1. Wait, area of 50. 1 second. Okay, this could be 50 by 1, and that would be like the smallest if we use integer values. So no decimals, just integer values. And then we could have 25 by 2. Okay, and we can keep going until we get 1 by 50. Okay, so the length has to be between 0 and 50, or 1 and 50. We can represent it like this. And the width has to be between 1 and 50 as well. Okay? And a quilt that must be 36 by 48, and this is like feet or inches. Okay? So, that's so specific. It has to be 48, 36, done. Okay? And it can have patterns on it. Okay, in each of these problems you are asked to design something, but it contains a limit, and the limit is usually a measurement, which is like the size, the volume, or the weight. So, just a reflection question, does the limit mean that there is only one possible design? Okay, no, not at all. So this is an example of well more than one design. Okay, this 48 by 36, it can also be this way. So say this has like faces on it, and all the faces are faced up, right? Now the faces can be faced up this way. And this could be 36 by 48. Okay? Because that length and width are interchangeable. Oh, package for 300 milliliter drink. Another good idea. This could be a juice box. Maybe, or this could be a can. Okay, if you really wanted it to be, you'd have a triangular prism as like a juice box, but it can be any of these. The only limit is that the volume equals 300 milliliters.